Use this macro to position your pieces on a Lainate file to prepare the creation of a pano piece. First, a marker with the required pieces needs to be calculated and placed. Make sure that a Lainate file has been created, either by plotting the marker or using the function makeLayout in Assyst. The Lainate can be opened in CAD Assyst using Transfer 1, Load Lainate file. It includes the piece geometry, but no grading. Before proceeding, it is recommended to rename the pieces to prevent duplicate piece names. The macro rename all pieces with counter in AY General can be used to do so. In the next step, load the corresponding design file with the original pieces. Start the macro place pieces with Lainate. First, select a piece from the original design file. Then select the same piece within the Lainate marker. The piece will be placed on top. Check the orientation. Some pieces need to be flipped, depending on the orientation in the marker. To flip over X, click with the middle mouse button. To flip over the Y-axis, click right. Once the piece is in the correct position, click left to confirm. This process can be repeated using a right-click. Check the dialog box for clicking prompts. Select the graded print piece, then the corresponding marker piece and confirm the flip orientation. Repeat these steps until all pieces have been replaced and end the macro using a left click. During the macro, the stripe line orientation of the selected pieces will be compared automatically. If pieces have been rotated by 90 degrees, an additional editor will appear, allowing you to confirm the angle. However, if the pieces have been rotated or tilted by any other amount, it is required to manually change the orientation of the original design pieces to match the Lainate file. Information will be displayed in the dialog box. Continue with F7. This macro is used as a preparation for the macro Print Pano Multiple Pieces from the menu AY Create.